Weenzee is a network of professionals in and around the cryptocurrency industry. The platform consists of cryptocurrency experts, financiers and investors, IT specialists, and traders, among others. So members of Weenzee are grouped into three categories, which is team of professionals, artificial intelligence, and like-minded people community. So Weenzee plans to bring these ideas to fruition by providing its members with all the resources they may need. And also guys, it has a team of experienced IT and crypto specialists who keep up with trends in industry and explore ways of integrating cryptocurrency codes with a wide range of ideas. Weenzee also has a network of business leaders capable of taking viable ideas to the bank, and business creators and leaders will establish relationships with investors and cryptocurrency funds, as well as help manage the development of fintech on the platform. And as you can see here guys, they had several conferences and events that was held from different countries such as China, Indonesia, Laos, Nigeria, Brazil, Vietnam, Malaysia, India, Hong Kong, Thailand, Turkey, Germany, and Pakistan. And also guys, they had conference about crypto trends here in the Philippines yesterday, April 28, that was held at Oasis Country Resort. Weenzee is all about making money off the vast cryptocurrency market. To this end, it has a strong and robust investment program built on three principles: a global community of like-minded investors and traders, a strong team of professionals from all related industries, and use of unique innovative trading technology. And guys, Weenzee is one of a few trading platforms to build their very own artificial intelligence networks. The Weenzee AI networks is designed to learn from the market and predict future moves with uncanny accuracy. So this system is built on three components. So the first one is Weenzee AI Analytics, which has an army of analytics bots that collect financial information from a wide range of public and private networks. The second one is Weenzee AI Trading. It also has bots that implement trading strategies based on the collected from the Weenzee AI Analytics. And the last one is AI Neural Network. This is a network of artificial interactive brains that are always working on figuring out future trends and the market. Alright guys, in Weenzee program, there are 5 kinds of investing package. So the first one is 30 days. The investing period of 30 days is just a trial and contains a lower percentage, where you can get 0.73% profit per day. Next is 60 days, where you can get a profit of 0.88% per day. And next is 90 days. This is most recommended in their investing program, which is where you can get 0.91% profit per day. And next is 180 days, where you can get 0.95% profit per day. And the last one is 360 days, where you can get 0.99% accruals per day. And as you can see here guys, they have a multi-currency wallet where you can also use if you want, which is they have USD, BTC, Ethereum, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, XRP, USDT, and TRX or Tron. Alright guys, the good thing also here is they have also a leadership program where you can start building your team with 8 steps of career growth. So as you can see here guys, the first one is user, second is user plus, win A, win B, win C, leader, leader pro, and Weenzee. And they have also 8 levels of referral program where you can get specific referral commissions. So what I also like here is they will just let you see their platform roadmap. So as you can see here, these are the timelines of their development in their system. So here in April, as you can see, the development of Weenzee as a crypto ecosystem uniting a trading, investment, social platform, marketplace, and cryptocurrency exchange. And for the next month, which is May, they will start developing their own blockchain, and they will also create a fund to invest in the best IT and blockchain starts up. And in July, they will release their beta version of their own blockchain, and they will be having a mass testing and running the bug bounty program. And for the next month, which is August, they will start developing their own social platform based on their own blockchain. And on October, they will develop their own decentralized payment system based on the Weenzee blockchain for business. So to deposit fund here, just choose crypto wallet from the right side you would like to put your money. And in my case, I will choose Bitcoin, and you have to click the replenish button. So as you can see, my deposited fund has already been credited here on my Bitcoin wallet. And if you want to create an investment, just go here, just select this Weenzee. And here, just choose your crypto wallet account where you want to use to invest. So here, I will use all my available balance from my Bitcoin wallet. So as you can see guys, the amount of the BTC that I invested is equivalent into this Weenzee token. And I will choose Weenzee token as my portfolio currency. And here in step 4, you have to choose which investment plan. So in my case, I chose 30 days. So as you can see, 0.73% is my daily profit. So let me just pull up my calculator here to calculate how much will I earn every day. Alright, so let me just put my capital here. And let's multiply it into this 0.73%. So this will be my daily profit. And let's multiply this to 30 days, and this will be my total profit in 30 days. So if you are ready now, just press this create portfolio. So guys, don't get bothered about the terms portfolio. Portfolio means investment. Alright, so as you can see, this is the amount of my investment and the term 30 days. So if you are ready, just create portfolio now. So click create portfolio. Alright, so as you can see, the investment portfolio was created successfully. Alright guys, in 4 days past, I have now total accrued of 1.37 Weenzee token, and that is equivalent to 0.000269 BTC. So the good thing also here guys, if you really want to pull back your money that you invested here, is you can request a refund anytime you want. So just click or just press this close the portfolio, or just click this close the investment. There will be some sort of deduction here, which is 25%. So if you really decided to close your investment, then just select or just click this close the portfolio, and it will be credited back to your crypto wallet. Alright guys, another interesting features is they have also here a portfolio coupons, where you can create your own investment plan as a coupons, or you can use this as a gift. It's like a gift card, or you can sell this from other leaders or investors. So here guys, you can also send tokens from the other users. So you just put it the amount here and the beneficiary account. So the beneficiary account will be located on your account, which is here in this portion. So to withdraw your profit from your investment, just click this to main account button, and just click this withdraw button. So as you can see guys, accruals were successfully credited to main account. So which is here on my Weenzee wallet. Alright guys, if you really want to withdraw your available Weenzee tokens from your main account to your external wallet, you just need to click this withdraw button. But before with that, make sure you already set it up your payment details. So here I will use BTC as my deposit address. So as soon as you click save this, we will receive a code from your email. So here as you can see guys, I receive email from Weenzee, and this will be the confirmation code that I need to put it here. So just click confirm. So once you already set up your payment details, now just click this withdraw button. So just use crypto wallet here that you used to set up from the payment details. So here I will choose BTC, and the amount would be 0.000269. So just click sell button. So as you can see guys, it says the minimum sum is 1 Weenzee token, and that's because there is a withdrawal fee of 1% here, which is in BTC, that is equivalent to 0.0005 BTC. So for now guys, I won't be able to withdraw my available Weenzee token here. Alright guys, so I will make follow-up video here for withdrawal from my main account to my external wallet. But one thing I am really pretty sure that this platform is really legit and paying company. If you really want to see more activities, just visit their Telegram channel, and here they are posting all the activities that were held from different countries. Alright guys, if you want to be a leader or investor, you can check out the link from the description below. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification